Yes, sir. Anything to say regarding the seminar?
Oh, me?
Yes. You're all the way from?
All the way from Cebu. Yeah, really, the program is really good. Well, explanations are, what do you call this one? Very concise, very well explained. Well, I love the speaker. Nice.
Is this your first time to attend such
Yes, this
seminar?
is my first time.
Okay.
This is our first time. This is my second time. Really? Anyway, so yeah, well, if we have some other things that we can get from your seminars, maybe we will come back. Right?
Yeah, thank you. How about you, ma'am? Anything to say regarding the topic?
Well, first, thank you for the seminar. And
Sorry?
Starting and
we
managing.
enjoyed it.
Meron din ba yung food court business, janitorial business?
Now we know better how to
Food
market
court
and
boss,
how to
okay.
sell
Uy,
most
may
of it.
pitikling
And
yung boss.
hopefully you'll see again
May plan ba?
for
Ano kasi massage dito?
massage talaga.
This is your first time to attend.
Dapat kwan, di ba,
Would you still like? Would you still want to attend some other topics from us? Okay.
Hopefully you have the budget.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.